I need to say that this guy over here, this little thing over here is not that little, actually, it's 10 inches, but this 64 pixel Pixoo is the 64 version. It is one of the best, if not the best gadget you can have in your desktop, like in your gaming setup, your office, just your room or something like that. What I do like this one too, I do like my Venom, but this one, which you can see that reacts to the voice, you can see that reacts to the sound, but this one right here is so awesome. It's fully customized. You can actually customize it with many of the designs that comes with. You can see that I picked this Superman from like someone that actually did the design, and it's just like right here because it communicates from the app via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi as well. 2.4 hertz Wi-Fi, just take that into account. But I do like it because it also comes with a calendar. You can do a calendar, you can do notifications, you can do messages, you can do, for example, financial info for like crypto or like bitcoins and things like that. You can actually do reminders, you can do games as well here, and the best thing is that you can share a code with a friend, and a friend can send you some drawings, some designs. Let's take a closer look now. Well, as I was telling you before, this one is 10 inches. You can actually use the stand that comes with. It's fitted by the power. It's just like a USB-C cable. You can manage the on and off and the brightness here as well. But having it right here with the stand is really cool. But you can also hang it if you want. It comes with 2 shoe screws on the bottom part, or you can actually hang it from this one too. You can put it in a clamp, you can put it in a tripod, whatever you want. But the best thing is this right here. Besides all the other function that comes with that, the calendar, the reminder, the things like that, you can have this. For example, you just touch this right here and it's gonna give you the weather. For example, you can have the weather super nice and easy with the clock and the temperature, and of course the forecast as well. You can do some more things, like for example your YouTube thing, super nice right here with this one. So you can see the count over there with the views and the subscribers. You can do some financial info as well, just like this, super easy. And of course do things like clock, or you can do calendars, you can do some other financial info like this one, and you're gonna keep seeing that it's coming right away, fitted by the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. I do like this one right here. Take a look, the clock over there with the kitties, and I think this thing is super nice to have. Notifications, messages, calendar, many other things that you can manage. This is the best gadget that you can have. Thumbs up, recommended. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.